Hello guys, how are you all? So this is going to be our 16th class and today also we will be covering the banking and financial awareness portion in the form of multiple choice questions. See friends, you all must be knowing it already. We are preparing for the upcoming exam of Union Bank of India for the post of local bank officer, that is LBO. So yes, if you are interested, then Knowledgist is offering you all a new crash course. Friends, in this crash course, we will be providing you 400 plus classes. Where live session classes would be there, recorded sessions would be there, mock test would be there, along with it 5,000 plus banking MCQs. And of course, one-on-one expert faculty would be there for you 24/7. We will be providing you all complete syllabus, which means all the subjects would be covered properly. So yes, if you are interested, then you can check out the description box so as to prepare in a proficient manner. There, the link is being provided for this particular crash course, and you can go through the link. Otherwise, if you are having any other sort of queries, then you can definitely contact us on a direct basis using our WhatsApp number. Clear? So yes, till then, let us not waste much time of ours. Very first question of the day is asking, which institute has recently, in June 24, signed a memorandum of understanding with Japan's Renesas Electronics Corporation for research and collaboration in very large scale integration and embedded semiconductor systems. So we are having five options right now. First option is saying, is it Indian Institute of Technology, Hyderabad? Second, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Option 3, IIT Roorkee. Option 4, IIT Bombay. Or option 5, IIT Patna. So what should it be, dear? Anyone? Hi, Sandeep. What should be the correct answer? Is anyone having any idea? Question is important, yet a simple question. Why? Because it's just asking the name of that institute. What has it done? It has signed a memorandum of understanding with whom? With Japan's Renesas Electronics Corporation. And the aim, or you can call it the main objective, is the research and collaboration in VLSI. What is VLSI? It is very large scale integration and embedded semiconductor systems. So what should it be? Okay, Sandeep is saying the correct option this time is IIT Bombay. Is anyone having any idea? What should it be? I'm giving you 5 seconds. Go through the question, the options being provided. Yeah, great. So this time the correct answer is option 1. That is IIT Hyderabad. So friends, basically Indian Institute of Technology Hyderabad, which is basically in Telangana, and Renesas Electronics Corporation. What is it? It is Japan's leading supplier of advanced semiconductor solutions. They both have signed a 3-year memorandum of understanding. Reason is research and collaboration in VLSI and embedded semiconductor systems. If we further talk about this particular partnership, then this partnership is aiming to strengthen India's semiconductor ecosystem and support Make in India objective. So there are two things upon which this whole partnership is being based. First is to strengthen India's semiconductor ecosystem, and second at the same time is to support Make in India objective. And this memorandum of understanding between both of them basically aims to foster talent development, to build a self-reliant semiconductor industry in India, and also to enable Renesas to recruit talented employees from India. See, whenever there is any like partnership or any signing of memorandum of understanding, so of course, all that like both the parties would be definitely requiring some good points. Okay, so here, what is the basic advantage which this IIT in Hyderabad would be getting? It is to be a part to strengthen India's semiconductor system and also to support Make in India objective. And when we talk about what is Renesas Electronics Corporation, which is Japan's leading supplier of semiconductor solutions, what is it getting basically? So it is getting a higher chance to recruit talented employees from India. And also now onwards, India would be a hub for the self-reliant semiconductor industry as well. Clear? Now, coming up with next question, which is asking, which company has recently in June 2024 introduced India's first index fund focused on defense stocks listed in India? So is it Grow Mutual Fund, Mirai Asset Mutual Fund, option 3, Motilal Oswal Asset Management Company Limited, 4, ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund, or option 5, SBI Mutual Fund? What is it? Question is important and it is asking the name of that company that has introduced India's very first index fund, which is being focused on defense stocks listed in India. So we are having 5 options. Have 5 seconds. Think about it. What should it be, dear? Anyone? I would not be interrupting in between. Go through the question. Yeah, great. So this time, dear, the correct option is 3. That is Motilal Oswal Asset Management Company Limited. See this Motilal Oswal Asset Management Company Limited, it introduced Motilal Oswal Nifty India Defense Index Fund, which is India's very first index fund focused on defense stocks listed in India. And if we talk about the new fund offer in this, then the new fund offer for this particular scheme was supposed to open from 13th June 2024 till 24th June 2024. And what was the minimum application amount was rupees 500 with the subsequent investments allowed in multiples of RE1. Clear? So from here, we came to know 3 things. First is the name of that company that has introduced Index Defense Index Fund. So it is Motilal Oswal Asset Management Company Limited, right? Secondly, what is the name of this India's very first defense index fund? So it is based on the name of that company, that is Motilal Oswal Nifty India Defense Index Fund. And apart from it, if you talk about what is something new and something strange here, so the minimum application amount is not so high. It is still kept at rupees 500 with like subsequent investments which have applied the application moments and multiples of RE1. Clear? Now, next question is asking, when did IRDAI, that is Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, mandate insurance companies to offer a policy loan facility across all life insurance savings products according to its master circular on life insurance products? Question is simply asking us the date from when IRDAI did mandate all the insurance companies so as to offer a policy loan facility across all the life insurance savings products, and this was being provided, this new information was being provided through its master circular on life insurance products. So is it January 1, 2025, September 30, 2024, March 31, 2026, option 4, December 31, 2024, or option 5, July 1, 2024? So was it should be. Anyone? We just have to tell the date. Date from when IRDAI did mandate insurance companies to offer a policy loan facility. And it is basically for all life insurance savings products. Have 5 seconds, go through the question and think about it. See if you are not having any idea what should be the correct answer. Even after that, friends, do try to answer it out, because it will definitely be boosting up confidence in you. We are having no concern. You are here, you are watching, we are getting the view. No issues. But yeah, if you are going to reply it out, then it would be like a mutual effort. At least you are trying to reply us out. Okay? So what should it be? Yeah, very good. So this time the correct answer is 2. That is September 30, 2024. Okay? So yes, learn shortly is right. So friends, if we go further, then we would come to know that Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, in its master circular on life insurance products, what has it done? It has mandated insurance companies to offer a policy loan facility across all life insurance savings products, and it was effective from 30 September 2024, and it was basically to help policyholders meet liquidity needs. And now this master circular issued under the provisions of Section 34 of Insurance Act 1938 and Section 14 of IRDAI 1999, along with Regulation 7 of IRDAI Insurance Products Regulation 2024. And it basically serves as a comprehensive guideline for all life insurers in India. Next question is asking, which bank has recently, in June 2024, launched a scheme to provide financial loans to doctors and various deposit accounts for NRI? We have to tell the name of that bank. What has it done? It has recently, in June 2024, launched a scheme. This scheme is to provide financial loans to doctors. Firstly, it is completely focused on doctors. And secondly, it will be providing variety of like various deposit accounts for non-resident Indians, that is NRI. So is it Bank of Maharashtra, Canara Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, IndusInd Bank, or option 5? Yes, Bank. What should it be? Should it be option 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Anyone have 5 seconds? I would not be interrupting now. Okay, so lunch shortly is with option 4. Great. So this time, dear, the correct answer is Bank of Maharashtra, which means Bank of Maharashtra has introduced this new scheme, which is of name MahaDoc, based on doctor. Clear? And this is designed specifically to provide financial solutions for the doctors. Now, if we talk particularly about this scheme, then the medical professionals can avail loans up to rupees 25 crores, and the scheme has provision to provide loans up to rupees 5 crore, which is covered under Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for the micro and small enterprises. See, basically, what is something special about this scheme? So it is based completely on the medical professionals, and they can avail loans up to how much? Rupees 25 crore. And this scheme has provision to provide loan up to 5 crore, which is covered under this CGTMSE. Clear? Apart from it, if we now talk about NRI banking solutions, so Bank of Maharashtra also provides non-resident Indian banking solution in the form of various deposit accounts. There are 4 types basically: non-resident external, non-resident ordinary, foreign currency non-resident, and resident foreign currency. See, each of these type of deposit accounts, they are being designed specifically to make NRI banking easier and reliable. So yes, Sandeep, you are absolutely correct. For this question, the correct answer is Bank of Maharashtra. Clear? Now, next question is asking, the Confederation of Indian Industry has recently estimated India's GDP to grow by this much percent in 2024. So question is simply asking you, the percent of India's gross domestic product which is being provided by or being estimated by CII recently in June 2024. So is it 8%, 7%, 8.3%, 6.8%, or option 5? That is 8.1%. Sure, should it be anyone? Should it be option 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Have 5 seconds. Okay. So this time, dear, the correct answer would be option 1. That is 8%. See, if we talk about 13th June 2024, then we would come to know that this Confederation of Indian Industry estimated India's gross domestic product growth at 8% in 2024. See, it has also underscored that policy interventions, specifically, these are aiming to improve the ease of doing of business. They have significantly contributed to strengthen the Indian economy. And it also expects expected, the inflation is more likely to be within RBI's target range, which is 4 to 4.5% in 2024. Which means from here we came to know firstly about India's GDP, and secondly, the reason behind this whole powerful GDP increase, it is the significant contribution of the policy interventions in this Indian economy. Apart from it, it provided information about the inflation, that inflation is highly under the RBI's target range, which is 4 to 4.5% in 2024. Clear? Next question is asking, which organization projected that India's GDP growth is expected to maintain a potential growth rate of 6.5 to 7% year on year for financial year 2026 to financial year 2030. So now here we are being asked the name of that organization that has projected that India's GDP growth is expected to maintain a potential growth rate is 6.5 to 7% on year basis for financial year 2026 to FY 2030. Is it UBS Securities India Private Limited, World Bank, option 3, that is Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, option 4, S&P Global Market Intelligence, or option 5, SBI Research? What should be the name of that particular organization? Anyone? Have 5 seconds. What should it be, dear? Okay. So this time, my friends, the correct option would be option 1, that is UBS Securities India Private Limited. See, according to UBS Securities India Private Limited, what is it? It is a stockbroker and merchant banking company. India's GDP is expected to sustain a potential growth rate, which is 6.5% to 7% on year-on-year basis, and that is between FY 2025-26 and FY 2029-30. And in FY 25, India is projected to grow at 7% as post-pandemic recovery in the capital expenditure, which is CapEx cycle, and it is driven by government spendings, strong residential real estate demand. So from here, what are the things which we basically came to know? First is, if we go through UBS Securities India Private Limited, then we would come to know India's GDP is expected to sustain a potential growth rate. It is 6.5 to 7% from FY 26 to FY 30. And now, if we talk about FY 25's India's GDP, then it is projected as 7%. Why? The reason is the post-pandemic recovery in the CapEx cycle. Clear? Now, coming up with next question, which is asking, which bank has recently launched? It's WISE, Senior Citizen Savings Account. What is WISE? Wellness Investments and Savings for Elderly. Is it Yes Bank Limited, Bank of India, Karnataka Bank Limited, option 4, HDFC Bank, or option 5, Axis Bank? Anyone? Have 5 seconds, go through the question. This is a nice question. Such type of questions are damn important here. So, what should it be? Anyone? Okay. So this time, dear, the correct answer is option 3. That is Karnataka Bank Limited. So on 14 June 2024, Karnataka Bank Limited, which is a leading private sector bank, it has launched KBL WISE, which means Karnataka Bank Limited Wellness Investments and Savings for Elderly Senior Citizens Savings Account. And it is designed specifically to cater the needs of senior citizens regarding banking, healthcare, and wellness. See, this bank particularly launched this product under the provision of Regulation 30 and other applicable provisions of Securities and Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI regulations of 2015. Okay, so now, what is something new about this WISE product for elder people? So this product is equipped with wide range of features like free top-up health insurance up to rupees 10 lakh, free Medibuddy healthcare benefits, free Hospicash facility, discount on locker rentals, doorstep banking facility, a lifetime free RuPay select debit card, and other features are also there. Clear? Now, coming on the next question. Name the company or organization that was recently selected by Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority as a system integrator for a period of 6 years. Question is asking the name of that company or organization. What is new about it? It is being selected by the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority as a system integrator. The time period is of 6 years. Should it be Tata Consultancy Services, Center for Development of Advanced Computing? Option 3, NEC Corporation India Private Limited. Option 4, National Informatics Center. Or option 5, Infosys Limited. What should it be? Option 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Anyone? Think about it. Learn shortly. Sandeep, what should it be, dear? Which company is that particular one? Now be acting as a system integrator. Okay, Sandeep is saying 4. Okay. So this time the correct option, dear, it is option 3. That is NEC Corporation India Private Limited. So friends, this PFRDA, that is the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, it has selected NEC Corporation India Private Limited, which is NEC Technologies India Private Limited, as a system integrator for a period of 6 years. See, it will play a pivotal role in digital transformation journey of PFRDA. And the company will act as system integrator for PFRDA, like it will do tracking purposes, it will do reporting part, analytics, compliance, e-platform, which is TRACE, as part of technology architecture project. Okay. So now, next question is asking, which life insurance company has recently announced a corporate agency partnership with Mahindra and Mahindra Financial Services to offer life insurance? So we have to tell the name of that life insurance company that has announced a corporate agency partnership with Mahindra and Mahindra Financial Services, and reason, aim, objective is to offer life insurance. So is it option 1, that is Edelweiss Tokyo Life Insurance Company Limited? Option 2, Future Generali India Life Insurance Company Limited. Option 3, SBI Life Insurance Company Limited. Option 4, HDFC Life Insurance Company Limited. Or option 5, Kotak Mahindra Life Insurance Company Limited. What should it be, dear? Which option is correct? Anyone? Okay. 2 have replied. Great. What about others? What should it be? Okay. So this time the correct answer is option 5. That is Kotak Mahindra Life Insurance Company Limited. Which means if we talk about 13th June 2024, then Kotak Mahindra Life Insurance Company Limited, which is in short called as Kotak Life, it has announced that it has collaborated with Mahindra Finance to offer customized life insurance solutions to the customers. And this collaboration between Kotak Life and Mahindra Finance, it is aiming to benefit more than 10 million customers of Mahindra Finance. How? By facilitating various life insurance solutions through Kotak Life. And friends, the agreement in between them was signed by Mahesh Balasubramanian, who is MD of Kotak Mahindra Life Insurance Company, and Rahul Revello, who is MD and CEO of Mahindra Finance. Next question is asking, which of the following neo-banking fintech company has recently received final authorization from Reserve Bank of India to issue prepaid payments instrument, that is PPIs? So, which is the correct option? They are asking about neo-banking. Will it be option 1, that is Jupiter Money, Decentro, Infibeam Avenues, option 4, Revolt India, or option 5, Razorpay? So friends, here is a term that is neo-banking. So neo-banking stands for digital-only banking model. Digital-only banking model. Okay. And these basically, of course, they will offer financial services through mobile apps and websites. Now, what do we basically mean when we call anything as a neobank? So, a neobank is a digital-first financial company that offers banking services like you can check your accounts, debit cards are there, but they don't have any physical location. They don't have any physical location. And that is the work, this particular term, that is neobank. It is being used here as this neo-banking fintech company, or it can also be called as fintech bank, challenger bank, digital bank. So that is basically what do we mean by anything when we call it as a neobank. And here also a great example of neobank, it is Jupiter Money. So if we talk about how Jupiter Money this basically works, so it works in partnership with Federal Bank. Okay, Jupiter Money is currently working in partnership with Federal Bank. Like their zero balance facilities are there. It also offers 1% reward point on UPI transaction. 1% reward points on UPI transactions are there under these like Jupiter Money. Okay. And if you are using their debit card, then also you will be getting same thing. Their savings mechanism also provide 2.5% interest. So how much interest they do provide on savings account? They do provide 2.5% of interest. So yes, that's all. And if we go for like any another example of a neobank, so it is Pi Money. It also works under collaboration with Federal Bank, right? So this time, as we all know, the correct option is option 1. So now, moving forward, Jupiter Money, which is a neo-banking fintech startup backed by Tiger Global and Peak 5, it has received final approval from RBI to issue prepaid payment instruments, including prepaid cards and prepaid wallets. And friends, this will enable Jupiter to offer its users with digital wallets which are linked to UPI applications. Now, coming up to next question, which is asking, which bank has recently signed a memorandum of understanding with the Ministry of External Affairs to enhance digital payment services for users of the e-Migrate portal? So we have to tell the name of that bank that has signed a memorandum of understanding with MEA. What is MEA? It is Ministry of External Affairs. And their aim is to enhance digital payment services for all the users of e-Migrate portal. So is it Indian Overseas Bank, Reserve Bank of India, option 3, State Bank of India, option 4, Punjab National Bank, or option 5, that is Canara Bank? Which should be the correct option? 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Anyone? I'll be giving you 5 seconds. Think about it. Okay, so friends, as this question is asking about here a term that is e-Migrate portal. So do you know what does this portal basically stands for? So this portal is a digital platform that helps ensure the safety. What does it do? It helps ensure the safety and legal support of Indian migrant workers. Of Indian migrant workers, right? So this is what we mean by e-Migrate portal. Now, if there is anyone who wants to register themselves on this e-Migrate portal, so like any foreign employers can register to employ Indian workers through this portal. And if we talk about the recruitment process here, so all the registered recruitment agents can use the portal to supply workers to the foreign employees. The reason is to supply workers to foreign employers. So that does what we basically mean by e-Migrate portal. And as we all know from question, it works under Ministry of External Affairs. So basically, what does it do? It empowers Indian migrant workers and streamlines legal migration, which is its logo as well. And firstly, for the very first time, it was developed in the year of 2014 under Government of India. Clear? So now coming back to the question, what is it asking? It was asking the name of that bank. So Shorty Singh 3 and Sandeep Singh SBI. So yes, this time the correct answer, you both are correct. That is the State Bank of India. So yes, on 15th June 2024, Ministry of External Affairs under Government of India, it has signed a memorandum of understanding with the State Bank of India to provide additional digital payment services of SBI through SBI ePay, which is a payment gateway to the Indian migrant workers, recruiting agents, and other users of e-Migrate portal. Now, if we talk about how this new memorandum of understanding works, so it will come into effect after the successful integration of SBI ePay, which is the payment gateway of SBI with the e-Migrate portal as well. Clear? So now, that's all for today's session, friends. If you are like getting the things properly, so do like, share, and subscribe our channel. And if you are having any further query, then the comment section is 24/7 there for you all. You can contact us via our comment section. And if you want to prepare for this particular Union Bank of India LBO exam, then you can check out the description box where the link of this new crash course is being provided. So till then, sign